We've looked at how to display information using Blade. Let's get to the meat of Blade templating and actually start templating out a full website. A very good practice is to create 3 different folders. We're going to have a layouts folder, and this is going to be for all-encompassing layouts that include the HTML starter for any HTML files and the overall layout for specific layouts. We could have a main layout for most of our website. We could have a dashboard layout for any admin dashboards that need to be created, and so on and so forth. We'll have pages, and each of these pages is going to extend a specific layout. So the home page would extend the main layout, an about page might extend a sidebar layout, and a dashboard page would extend the dashboard layout. And the final part of Blade templating are partials, which is going to be small things like the header and components of our website that we want to be reusable across different layouts. Let's create 3 routes. We're going to have this homepage route. We're going to remove the users for now. Just return home. We'll have an about page and a contact page. Now we have a home, about, and contact view. We'll need to create those. New file here, about.blade.php. New file again, resources views is where we want that new file, contact.blade.php. All right, so we could go ahead and in this about file, create a new HTML5 file, bring in any CSS that we need, talk about the about page here, and then we could do the same exact thing for the contact page, but we don't really want to do that. That's repeating ourselves, and that's not very scalable when we want to create more views. We're going to create the 3 folders that we just talked about: layouts, pages, and partials. Now home, contact, and about are going to go into our pages folder. So we can cut those out, paste them into pages. We won't need this welcome.blade anymore. And let's create our main layout. So we will name this main.blade.php. We'll come back to partials in a bit, but these 3 pages are going to extend this main layout. Here's our layout. We're going to create HTML, my templating app. CSS is going to go here. Any JavaScript files are going to go down here. And the thing that we want to do is pull in the content from the pages that extend this layout. We will yield the content. And we're just naming that content, and we'll name it accordingly in each of the views that extend this layout. Let's add a header here. Nav, we'll add a UL, LI, ×3 and put A tags in there. This will be the home page. This will be the about page. And the contact page. Now this header will get brought to all 3 of our pages since all 3 pages are going to extend this layout. Let's fill out all of those pages now. Here's the home file. We won't need all of this or all of this. We'll extend layouts.home. We'll create a section for the content and end section. Everything inside of this section content will get sent to the main layout under yield content. Let's surround this with a main tag. We'll create a footer as well. We can use Blade to pull in the date, and we'll call out the year there. So that echoes the PHP date, and that makes sure that it's always current. This is our home page all ready to go. About page needs to get created, about, and the contact page will do the same. Oh, it looks like all of these are extending layouts.home. We wanted layouts.main. Copy that, paste that there, paste that there. The last thing we need to do is in our routes file, we are creating views, home, about, contact. We move those into a pages folder. We'll just update those accordingly. Pages, Save that. Come back over. Here's our home page. The header and the footer got brought in because we're extending that layout, about page, and the contact page. Very easily, we used one layout, and in this way, we didn't have to write too much code in our about, contact, or home page.